You're going to start by taking a toilet core and cutting it in half. So mine are the size of 5 centimeters tall. Then using your scissors, just cut a slit up the side of it and sort of twist it in to form a conical shape. Once you have the desired shape, use your hot glue to secure in place. At the widest part, just trim it straight to make sure that it sits flush on the table. Taking a piece of unstretched 180-gram crepe paper, just measure it around your base to get a comfortable fit. We don't want to stretch this paper at all. And once you've got it around the cone, just trim it and then glue it with hot glue into place. Using hot glue, just secure the ends, both top and bottom, into the cone to give a nice, neat finish. Taking a scrap piece of 180 gram, slightly outstretch it to make sure that it will cover over the opening at the bottom of your cylinder. Then secure into place with some hot glue. Once the glue has dried, you will then neatly trim off all the excess paper. Taking a secondary color, just wrap it around the top of your cone to get the approximate size and trim off at that point. Once you've got the desired size, fold it in half and then from the open end, cut up vertically to a point. You'll then open this up and fold the left side down. Adding a line of glue, you'll then attach the right side over to form your cone. Trim the open end of your hat until it's nice and straight, and then just gently flute it outwards. I found that pressing it down against the table was really helpful in achieving that shape. To create the gnome's beard, take some white or cream 180-gram crepe paper, and you'll need 4 strips of various lengths. The first longest strip you'll measure against the body to get the desired length, and from there you'll cut 3 extra pieces, all slightly shorter than the next one. You'll take each strip and you'll fringe it as finely as you can. Then using a pinking shears, just trim the one end to give it a more natural edging, and then you'll twist it in your fingers slightly to give the paper some texture. As an optional step, I've created a double fold at the top of each section of his beard, which gives such beautiful dimension and fullness. Once the third piece of the beard has been placed, you can then use your scissors just to round off the edges to give it a neater finish. Before adding the fourth and shortest piece to the beard, we're going to create the nose. I did this by taking a piece of crepe paper, rolling it into a ball. Then I took a piece that was flesh colored and I stretched it out completely and cut a circle. I then took some tacky glue, added that to the circle, and then placed my small scrunched up piece of crepe paper inside of that, and we twisted round to form a nose shape. You will then glue that in place and then add the final piece of the beard. Place his hat on top of the nose, and once you're happy with its position, you will take some hot glue and secure it in place. To add extra detail to the hat, I've taken some pan pastel and added some extra color to the rim and to the very tip of his hat, and taking a curling tool, or you could use a skewer, you just flick up on the edges of the hat to create some ripples and some texture and give it a more realistic look. And then for a final touch, I've taken pink pastel and added to the tip of his nose and to where his cheeks would be. I hope you've loved creating these gnomes as much as I have, and I really appreciate you joining me for this craft. If you have created them using this tutorial, please feel free to tag me on Instagram, black_tree_designs. I would love to follow along on what you're creating and to check out the gnomes that you've made. So thanks again for joining me.